Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written a Python program to find largest, second largest and smallest of given three numbers by using if statement. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. In this video, I am writing the program to find greatest, smallest and second greatest number from given three numbers in an Python programming language. So first I am opening the Python interpreter. So this is a program to find largest, second largest and the smallest of given three numbers. So this is an file, the new file which I have created. As you know the procedure which I have shown in the previous videos. So first I will write an comment, that is a program name, Python program to find largest, that means a greatest, comma, second largest and smallest of given three numbers. Python program to find largest, second largest, smallest of given three numbers. So here in this one I will be using a simple if statement. So it is, I will write another one comment, by using simple if statement, by using simple if statement. That means I will be using only the if statement. So for this particular thing, first we need to read three values. So I will take those three values as A, B, C. So I will write A equal to int, open the bracket, within the bracket you need to write input, open the bracket and then prompting message within a single quotes, enter first number, single space, close the single quotes, close the bracket and again close the bracket. Next, to read the second value, B equal to int, within a bracket, input, within a bracket, prompting message. So here I am writing by using double quotes. As you know, you can use either a single quotes or double quotes. So I am writing enter second number, space, double quotes close, bracket close and bracket close, press enter. So third one, C equal to int, open the bracket, the same procedure, input, open the bracket, within a double quotes, enter third number, space, double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. So these are the three input statements which will be reading three values and those will be stored in A, B and C respectively. Then I will take largest as one value, that is a variable, largest is equal to A. Then I will take another one, smallest is equal to B or is equal to A. That means I will assume both the largest as well as the smallest is the first number itself. For that purpose I have written largest is equal to A and smallest is equal to A. That means I am assuming the largest as well as the smallest is the A itself. Then next I will write if space condition B greater than largest. That means what? If B is greater than A, because I have assigned the value A to largest. So I have written B greater than largest colon press enter. You can observe the indentation space there. So here I will write largest equal to B. That means if this condition becomes true, if this particular condition, if B is greater than largest, if that condition becomes true, then the largest will be B. If that condition becomes false, it will come to the next line. That means after skipping the if block. So the next line you need to start from the starting position. That means you need to press the backspace. Here write if space C greater than largest colon, press enter. Observe the indentation space there. So write largest equal to C. That means if this condition becomes true, then the largest will be C. Press enter. Then afterwards press backspace, then the next statement. So if B less than smallest, B less than smallest colon, press enter. Observe the indentation space. If this condition becomes true, then smallest is equal to B. Press enter. Again press the backspace. You need to start from the first position in the new line. If C is less than smallest colon, if this condition becomes true, then smallest equal to C. Press enter and press backspace. So after execution of these statements, based upon the value which you are given, the largest as the smallest will be assigned to the variable largest and smallest respectively. Then after that you need to find the second largest. For that purpose I will take another one variable SEC CON, second LARG, that means second largest, second large equal to, so find the sum of three numbers A plus B plus C within a bracket minus within a bracket largest plus smallest. It means when you subtract largest and smallest from sum of all the three numbers, you will be getting the second largest. Press enter. Then now display those values. So that is by using print function. Print, open the bracket, within a double quotes, largest number is, double quotes close, comma, that is stored in a variable called largest. Close the bracket. Press enter. Then again print, open the bracket, within a double quotes, second largest is, double quotes close, comma, SECOND, second LARG, that is the variable. Close the bracket, press enter. Then again print, open the bracket, either you can use single quotes or double quotes. Now I will use the single quotes. Then next what do you need to write? Smallest number is, single quotes close, comma, smallest, close the bracket. So here in the second one I have written second largest is. Instead of that, even you can also write second largest number is. Okay, so largest number is, second largest number is, smallest number is. All the three values have been displayed. To more information regarding this print as well as input functions, you need to watch the previous videos in my YouTube channel. Now we'll save the program. The shortcut key is, as you know, Control S. So here give the name of the file. So I will give the name of the file as LSS. It means the largest, second largest, smallest. Press enter. The program has been saved. Now to run the program, the shortcut key is F5. Press F5. Give the numbers. So now I will give the numbers as first number 10, second number 20, third number as 30. So you can see which is the largest, 30, and second largest is 20, and the smallest is the 10. So press enter. It is displaying largest number is 30, second largest is 20, and smallest is 30. So how you have got this one? So just I will move this interpreter this side. So here you can observe what the statements we have written. So first I have entered 10, 20, 30. That means A value will be 10, B value will be 20, and C value will be 30. Then I have written largest is equal to A and smallest is equal to A. That means largest and smallest both will be having a value 10 because the A value is 10. And next I have written if B is greater than largest. So what is the value of B? 20. 20 is greater than largest. Largest value is 10. So 20 is greater than 10. Yes, condition becomes true. Therefore, it executes the statement followed by if, that is which is present in the if block. Largest is equal to B. That means now the largest value will be having 20. Then next it will come here if C is greater than largest. So largest value is 20. And what is the C value? 30. 30 is greater than 20. Yes, condition becomes true. Then it will be executing the block inside if, that is this one. Largest is equal to C. That means now the largest value is what? 30. So the largest value is 30. So therefore it is displaying here the largest number is 30. Right, which I have written here in the print statement. Next, after this one, it will be executing this one. If B is less than smallest. So what is the smallest value? A. That is A value is 10. What is the B value? 20. 20 is less than 10? No. Condition becomes false. So it will be executing the statement followed by the if block. That means it will not be executing this one. Smallest is equal to B. This is not executed. It will come to this statement if C is less than the smallest. So here C value is 30 and smallest value is what? 10. So now 30 is less than 10? No. Condition becomes false. Therefore it will not be executing smallest is equal to C. Therefore the smallest value is A itself. That means the smallest value will be 10 itself. Then so now you have got the largest value as 30 and smallest value as 10. The next second largest is equal to A plus B plus C. So A value is 10, B value is 20 and C value is 30. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 30 is how much? 60. 60 minus largest plus smallest. So largest value is 30 and smallest value is 10. 30 plus 10, 40. So 60, that is A plus B plus C is 60 minus largest plus smallest is 20. So 60 minus, 60, 30 plus 10 is 40. So 60 minus 40 is 20. So therefore the second large value will be equal to 20. Then we have written print largest number is double quotes close comma largest. That means it will display this one. Largest number is 30. This output. Okay. Then we have written print second largest number is this statement. So this statement will display second largest number is 20. Then we have written print smallest number is. So that one is this one. Smallest number is 10. Right. To get another output, you can just come to the script mode. Right, this is the script mode. So again press F5. This is a shortcut key. Now give the different values. For example, I will give the value as 5. Then enter. Second value as 2. Enter. And the third value as 7. Okay. So now you can observe the largest number is 7. And the smallest number is 2. And the second largest is 5. So press enter. So that is the output. That is the largest number is 7. Second largest is 5. Smallest number is 2. How you have got this one? Again I will explain with an example. So largest and smallest are assigned with the value A. So what is that? This one, 5. So A value is 5, B value is 2, C value is 7 respectively. So now largest and smallest are having the value 5. Now it will come here. If B is greater than largest, what is the value of B? 2. 2 is greater than 5? No, condition becomes false. That means it will come here. If C is greater than largest, what is the value of C? 7. 7 is greater than 5? Yes, condition becomes true. So it will execute largest is equal to C. That means now largest is equal to 7. Then it will come to this one. If B is less than smallest, what is the value of smallest? 5. And what is the value of B? 2. So 2 is less than 5? Yes, condition becomes true. So therefore it will execute this one. Smallest is equal to B. So now the smallest value is equal to 2. Then next it will come to the next one. If C is less than smallest, what is the value of smallest now? 2. Because it has been executed previously. Smallest is equal to B. Now what is the value of C? 7. So 7 is less than 2. Condition becomes false. So it will not execute the if block. That means this particular statement is not executed. So smallest value will be 2 itself. And what is the largest value? 7. So now it will come to here. Second large is equal to this particular statement. A plus B plus C. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14 minus largest number is 7 plus and the smallest number is 2. So 7 plus 2 is what? 9. 14 minus 9 will be equal to 5. So that is stored in second large. Then afterwards we have used 3 print statements to print largest, second largest and smallest along with the message. So that for that purpose it is printing largest number is 7, second largest number is 5 and smallest number is 2. Like that you can give for different combination of values. You will get the correct output for each of the execution if you have written program in this particular manner by using only if statement. So I'll give another one example of running the program. That means we shall check for another one output. So again come to the script mode, press F5, that is a shortcut key. So now enter the first number. So here I will give 45, enter the second number, I will give 23, enter the third number, I will give here 34. So you can see the largest number is 45 and second largest is 34 and the smallest is 23. Okay, press enter. So these are the outputs, right? So you can cross verify that one by neatly writing in on paper along with those values, and you trace out, you will get the correct output. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with friends and family members, share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.